This is a 2018 Toyota Tacoma double cab SR, red over black interior, power windows, locks, and mirrors, cruise control, Bluetooth for your cell phone, CD player, satellite radio, automatic transmission, push button start, sliding rear window. There's a look at the rear seat, running boards, aluminum wheels, receiver hitch, lockable tailgate, backup camera, bed liner. This vehicle is four-wheel drive, powered by a 3.5 liter six-cylinder engine, so it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation Ford St. Pete, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.